The Street in New York, I'm Jill Malandrino with the trading week ahead. The week of September 21st could be interesting because there are some key data to be released, including new and existing home sales, and it is not only a measure of housing demand, but strengthening the economy. In addition, we will get the PMI Manufacturing Index and the all-important GDP reading on Friday, which is an all-inclusive measure of economic activity. Not only could these data impact the markets and the U.S. dollar on the initial release, but it will also fire up speculation on how the Fed will interpret the data in terms of timing for an actual rate hike. Recall last week's commentary from the Fed on the economy was weaker than expected, so this set of data will be widely anticipated. Earnings are still relatively quiet, but there are a number of reports traders will be focused on. Let's review three names I believe will garner a lot of attention, starting with Autozone on Tuesday before the market opens. Just take a look at Autozone's one-year chart. Clearly, the company is firing on all cylinders, has been a relative outperformer in a volatile market due to secular headwinds in the aftermarket space, including improving vehicle quality and life cycle and lower fuel prices. This past week, sell-side broker Jefferies initiated coverage on Autozone with a hold rating as it is trading at a premium multiple versus its peers. So we want to see how strong of a quarter the automotive aftermarket company can deliver and if that multiple is warranted. General Mills also reports on Tuesday before the open, and while consumer staple stocks are not quite as exciting as other sectors, I think the sector will be quite interesting for the remainder of 2015 and beyond due to increased M&A and private equity activity. General Mills, like many other mature U.S. food retailers, has been reeling from the shift in consumer preference toward natural and organic food. The first quarter is expected to be strongest in the year against easier comps as management continues to take steps to innovate and focus on verticals showing growth. Finally, Nike reports after the close on Thursday, and this is a company that is capitalizing on the athleisure trend. As is the case with discretionary retail, it is a tale of the have and have-nots when it comes to trends. Nike is a global titan in athletic shoes and apparel and is aggressively going in on women's athleisure wear. The fiscal first quarter is historically strong for Nike as well, and also keep in mind that the company has an analyst day on October 14th, which will also be a big catalyst for the stock as well. With the trading week ahead, I'm Jill Malandrino for The Street.